Hey guys, Jason over here at Cog Hill. It's going to be a little bit different video today. Typically, you know, my vlogs are always positive and happy-go-lucky and just fun. But it's a somber day here on the farm. Mary Carl's chicken and best friend Penny passed away yesterday evening. She had been suffering, or actually she was diagnosed almost right off the bat. She had a rare form of gout that only affects birds. We had taken her to several vets and even consulted 2 avian hospitals, and really wasn't much anything that we could do for her except just give her the best possible life that she could have. And trust me, that happened. I mean, Penny lived in Mary Carl's bedroom, had her own setup in the bedroom. Like I said, Penny was so important, not only to us, to the whole community. Everybody knew Penny. The whole town knew Penny. Penny would go to, she went everywhere with Mary Carl. She had been to, or she would go to the hardware stores, the feed stores, even the owner of the grocery store would let Penny in. Everybody knew Penny. Penny had even been, or even went to Walmart. Walmart didn't know it, but Penny would go to Walmart. Penny was so important and such a good friend to Mary Carl. She rode to school almost every morning with Mary Carl. Penny was also in Better Homes and Gardens magazine in the October issue of 2018, I think it was. And Penny also was her and Mary Carl were a subject in an art exhibit. Had an artist that wanted to take the picture of Mary Carl and Penny with and the artist used the old-timey plate glass pictures and the camera that took that, and so that art exhibit traveled the whole United States. So Mary Carl and Penny were a part of that. Penny was so important to us, so just, especially when Mary Carl got sick. When Mary Carl got sick, and especially early on when we didn't know what was going on. The doctors didn't know what was going on. They thought Mary Carl had leukemia. Ended up being Mary Carl's got an autoimmune disease, but Penny was there to help Mary Carl with that process. Penny would even go with Mary Carl to go get her blood taken for blood work. Penny was one heck of a chicken. Penny's still Penny. She still lives in the house. She's still Mary Carl's best friend.
She's gonna make her a dust bath. Penny, you sunning today?
It is a hot day today, so we figured me, Mary Carl, and Penny stop and get us some ice cream. Chocolate milkshake? Penny, want anything?
Penny, you getting ready to go to the flea market? Penny just had a bath.
Come back, Penny.
Come on,
Penny, still wet.
This is carpet, and Penny is trying to dust bathe on her. This is Penny, of course. This is not dirt. It is carpet. See you next time on Penny Burger.
And trust me, Penny had an awesome 7 years on this earth, and we sure gonna miss her. Had a lot of fans starting to ask about Penny, and so I wanted to let everybody know that Penny did pass away yesterday evening, and I just felt like I just felt like that Penny really needed her own tribute video. So this is Penny's tribute video. The regular vlog should be back up on Tuesday, and so thank you guys.